Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日は寒い日にぴったりの体が温まる豆乳キムチスープを作ります。
First, let's prepare the niboshi, dried baby sardines. Remove the head of niboshi, split the stomach in half lengthwise, and remove the black innards. Put the niboshi in a measuring cup. When using small niboshi, you don't need to take the innards out so that you can save time. Pour 300 milliliters of hot water into the cup. Soaking the niboshi in hot water will help to make the dashi stock quickly. Here are the ingredients for the soy milk soup. Cut the onion into 1 cm slices along the grain. Cut the broccoli head into small clusters. As for the stem, peel off the skin thickly and cut into bite-sized pieces 5 mm thick. Tear the shimeji mushrooms into smaller pieces. Cut off the root end of the enoki mushrooms, half the length, and tear the lower half into smaller pieces. As for the meat, season the pork slices with the grated garlic and sake. Lightly toast to coat. We recommend working on plastic wrap since this will make it easier to wash the tray and your hands. Cut the potato into 1 to 1.5 cm cubes and place it in a bowl. Cover the potato with a damp paper towel and loosely cover the bowl with plastic wrap. Heat it in a 600-watt microwave oven for 2.5 minutes. After that, let it sit for about 5 minutes to soften with residual heat. Let's make the pork kimchi soy milk soup. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a pot. Add a sliced onion and broccoli stems. Saute on medium-low heat until the edges of the onion begin to brown slightly. Now, the onion is starting to turn a nice color. Add the pork slices. This is pork thigh for a shabu-shabu hot pot, but you can also use pork belly. Break up the pork slices well and stir-fry thoroughly. When all of the redness in the meat has disappeared, add the kimchi and stir-fry lightly. Even if kimchi has become sour due to lactic acid fermentation, stir-frying will soften the sourness and make it tastier. If you do not like sourness, stir-fry the kimchi thoroughly. Add the niboshi dashi stock. Then add the shimeji mushrooms, enoki mushrooms, and broccoli. Submerge all the ingredients in the broth with a ladle and cover with a lid. Heat slowly so that the thick niboshi broth and the umami flavor of the mushrooms soak into the ingredients. In our family, niboshi is not only used to make dashi stock, but also eaten as an ingredient. But if you do not like it, you can leave it out in the soup. When the broccoli is tender, add the potato, salt, and plain soy milk. Soy milk and kimchi go excellent together. For those who are not fans of soy milk or for children, you can replace about 20% of the soy milk with regular milk for a richer, more delicious taste. Mix lightly. Cover and heat slowly on low heat. Gently stir the broth from time to time to prevent the soy milk from separating. If the soy milk keeps boiling on high heat, it will quickly separate. When it begins to simmer on the surface, it is ready to serve.
いい感じ。でき ました。
Soy milk tends to separate easily, but even if it does, it still tastes good, so don't be too nervous. Ladle the piping hot soup into a bowl, top with the spring onion leaves, and enjoy.
ニンニクまぶした豚肉とキムチがいい仕事してます。具材もたっぷりで嬉しいですね。
If the taste is too weak, you can add salt to adjust it. Good luck in the kitchen!
松戸市にあるとっても人気のパン屋さんに来ています。今日はこちらの2階でランチいただきます。楽しみ。こちらのお店ツオップさんでは毎日300種類のパンを焼いているそうです。お店の2階では焼きたてのパンと一緒にお食事ができるようになっています。入ります。階段がちょっと急なので気をつけないと。中はとってもいい雰囲気。外国に来たみたい。正面の左ですね。はいはいはい。4番の豚肩ロース肉のピカタオーロラソースにしました。1階のパン屋さんで焼いた焼きたてのパンを数種類カットして盛り合わせています。季節の野菜や豆を練り込んだ変わったパンもあります。どのパンもとっても美味しいです。こちらはレンズ豆のポタージュです。たっぷりあって体が温まります。冷水の盛り合わせ、彩りがよく体が喜ぶ食材をふんだんに使っているのが嬉しいです。メインの豚肩ロース肉のピカタオーロラソースです。本場イタリアのピカタは子牛肉を使うそうですが、日本ではポークピカタがよく知られています。オーロラソースのトマトの色が綺麗ですね。レモンたっぷり絞っていただきます。お肉は柔らかくボリュームたっぷりです。カフェ特製のチーズケーキのテリーヌです。食後にデザートもいただいたのでもうお腹いっぱい。盛り合わせのパンはほとんど持ち帰りました。木造の薄暗い店内はアンティーク家具やアートで装飾されていて、非日常的な落ち着いた時間を過ごすことができます。ゆったり落ち着いて美味しいお料理いただきました。コロナ禍なのにドイツに旅行に行ったようなひとときでした。また来たいな。
Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please consider supporting our channel via YouTube. Super thanks. Your subscriptions and likes are much appreciated. Take care everyone. See you.